When you first hear the name Fiat Blackfast 2026, it already creates a sense of curiosity because it is not just about the evolution of Fiat's design language but also about how far the brand is willing to go into blending futuristic technology with everyday usability. As soon as the car makes its presence felt, the 2025 model year shaping up for the 2026 release feels like a bold step forward, one that combines elegance, aggression, and functionality in a balanced form. Looking at the front, the Blackfast 2026 immediately captures attention with its sleek aerodynamic nose, highlighted by a broad grille carrying sharp detailing and integrated LED lighting that stretches across the fascia. The headlights are razor-shaped, giving the car a bold, confident expression. The bumper is layered with sculpted lines that channel air efficiently, while the subtle chrome and gloss black accents add a touch of luxury. The car sits low, wide, and muscular, which makes the front appearance look commanding and powerful. Moving to the side, the design continues to impress with its flowing silhouette. The body lines are crisp and modern, stretching from the front fender all the way to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when standing still. The wheels, which range up to 20 inches depending on trim, come with a sharp geometric pattern that perfectly complements the sporty character. The side mirrors are slim and aerodynamically sculpted, with integrated indicators, while the flush door handles bring a futuristic touch. The roofline tapers smoothly towards the back, giving the side profile a coupe-inspired stance without compromising on practicality. At the back, the Blackfast 2026 delivers a truly dramatic design. The taillights are joined by a seamless LED strip that glows brilliantly at night, enhancing both visibility and style. The bumper is integrated with sporty diffuser elements, and the exhaust outlets are designed with a rectangular twin-tip finish that emphasizes performance. A subtle rear spoiler adds a layer of aerodynamics, while the overall look maintains a balance of sophistication and sportiness. Stepping inside the cabin, the atmosphere is a blend of comfort, technology, and premium quality. The dashboard is cleanly laid out with a large central touchscreen that controls most of the infotainment and vehicle functions. A fully digital driver display offers customizable information, from navigation to performance stats. The seats are ergonomically designed, wrapped in high-quality leather with contrast stitching that matches the exterior accents. Space is generous both in the front and rear, with plenty of legroom and headroom for passengers. Ambient lighting runs along the cabin edges, creating a futuristic yet cozy feel, while the sound system is engineered to deliver crystal-clear audio for both music and calls. In terms of performance, the Blackfast 2026 does not hold back. Depending on the chosen variant, it comes with both turbocharged petrol and hybrid powertrains, offering an output ranging from around 200 to over 300 horsepower. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, making city driving enjoyable and highway cruising effortless. The suspension setup is tuned to strike a balance between comfort and handling, ensuring that the driver feels in control while passengers remain at ease. Steering is sharp and precise, and advanced driving aids such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking elevate the overall driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the Fiat Blackfast 2026 is expected to sit in a competitive bracket, starting from around $35,000 and stretching upwards depending on trims, technology packs, and performance upgrades. For what it offers in terms of design, features, and driving dynamics, it positions itself as a strong contender in its segment, especially appealing to those who want a stylish daily driver with a hint of performance and luxury. As for suggestions, this car is an excellent option for individuals looking for something unique yet practical. If you want an affordable entry into a premium-feeling vehicle, the base trim will do the job. However, if technology and performance are your priorities, going for the higher trims with advanced driver assistance and hybrid systems will give you the most value. Families will appreciate its practicality and comfort, while younger buyers will be drawn to its sporty styling and futuristic tech. Overall, the 2025 Fiat Blackfast 2026 represents a bold move for Fiat, showing that the brand can balance tradition with innovation. It is stylish, practical, performance-oriented, and priced competitively, making it a vehicle worth considering for anyone entering the market in this category. With this car, Fiat has not only raised expectations but also created a model that stands out in both design and function.